Hi, this is Julie Scher. We're going to start with our spine. So put your feet hip distance apart and make your arms look like a box and cover your thumbs. So you're making a fist like that. Now you're going to be twisting and you're going to do a pant like a fire breath, Kapalabhati breath. In and out your nose. That keeps you into a breath hold, where you tend to, an emotional situation that tends to make your breath want to hold. And we're going to put our feet a little bit closer together now. They're looking like a straight line. And you're just going to bounce, squeeze your buttocks, bounce, squeeze your buttocks. And the breath is going to be an inhale. Think of that situation that you want to let go of, and you exhale on a snake sound. So you're still making a body bounce, and we're going to add one other thing. We're going to make a peace sign with both of our fingers. It's a kidney mudra. So we can go ahead and start to help the lungs and the kidneys at the same time, because we're working breath. Inhale. Think of that situation you want to let go of. Some kind of fear, some kind of anger, some kind of judgment, whatever you wish. And you're going to inhale. Hold on. Let go on. over here to Hello Tree. This time we're going to do a shoulder stand. So I'm going to invert my body and make sure that you have something that you could go ahead and rest on your shoulders so it's not so intense. All the weight's going to be on your shoulders, all right? So I'm laying on the ground. And what should you be thinking? doing that fire breath, I'm gonna go ahead and do some squats. Now, this is really, really good. This is called a brain enhancer. I increased my tempo. Switch hands. Okay, it's 15 minutes of breathing fun.